This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, June 29th. I'm James Spann. Moist air returns tomorrow. That means a chance of showers and storms. Let's go in there and check things out today. First off, the water vapor satellite view. Again, very high amplitude. We have a hot ridge in the west and a cool trough in the east. Cool for summertime. Storms are over South Alabama in scattered pockets today, really near the Gulf Coast. The northern half of the state is dry. That was the Mobile radar at 232. Temperatures up this way, mostly in the upper 80s, Birmingham 89. A bit cooler at Fort Payne. They've got 81. Their low this morning was 55. Felt so good. And around the nation, the really hot weather is out west. 90s way up into Montana, Idaho. Some cities up there could see triple-digit heat again today, but look at readings only in the 60s over parts of Indiana and Ohio. And up in that zone, we have a tornado watch for parts of Kentucky, Ohio, and West Virginia. Now, some of the cities involved there include Cincinnati and Louisville and Lexington. There's a slight risk of severe weather in that pocket for today and tonight. Another slight risk up over parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. And then tomorrow, a pretty good chunk of Alabama with a marginal severe weather risk. And some of the storms tomorrow could pack a punch. The main threat would be from wet microbursts. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal severe weather risk, a little north of here. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. This is suggesting rain amounts of over 2 inches for the Tennessee Valley, with lighter amounts down over southeast Alabama. And again, the tropics are nice and quiet. All right, model fans, here we go. Let's look at tomorrow. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. And again, a high amplitude pattern, ridging in the west, troughing in the east. And down below that, moisture is back, so we'll see a pretty decent chance of developing showers and thunderstorms, especially tomorrow afternoon. And as you saw in the convective outlook, some of the storms could be pretty strong. We'll expect a high in the upper 80s. This is the high-res NAM tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, showing an array of showers and storms in progress around here. This is Wednesday, pretty much the same deal. I would say the high would be in the upper 80s, a pretty good moisture axis in place. A surface low is over Kansas. A mix of sun and clouds with scattered showers and storms. Thursday, the surface low is north of Memphis. There could be some strong storms Thursday if this is right, with a fairly decent coverage of showers and storms, especially across the northern half of the state. But even then, the sun should break out at times. I'd say the high between 86 and 89. And Friday, the surface low weakens north of us, no dry air. So as we start the 4th of July weekend there on Friday, July 3rd, mix of sun and clouds, scattered mostly afternoon and evening storms, and a high in the upper 80s. And that's the idea for the weekend. This is Saturday, July 4th, a little troughing northwest of here, and the same thing, partly sunny, a few spots getting a storm. Probably Saturday afternoon or Saturday evening. Same thing Sunday. We'll expect highs for the weekend between 87 and 90. And Monday of next week, we all go back to work on the 6th of July. The heights are coming up. The trough is lifting out, and that means the weather should be a bit hotter. Probably low 90s. And again, the risk of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening storms. This is the end of the forecast. Thursday of next week, July 9th, and a 594 heat ring showing up from near Birmingham to Denver. And if that's right, heat levels are going to go up, rain chances are going to go down. Check the numbers off the ensembles. Highs mostly in the 80s through Saturday. Then next week, mostly low and mid-90s. Temperatures may be a little above average. This is July 7th through July 13th. With below average numbers north and west of here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.